had a massive tidy up around the office and collated all of the old gear from over the years, like hard drives and routers and NASes. I'm after giving some of it away to you guys, as well as helping out other creators.
Hello,
How's
mate.
it going? Long time no see.
How you doing?
I miss this car. It's so beautiful.
You like the Tesla?
I do.
Mate, because I see this and I miss this.
Okay, Ty, I come bearing gifts, my friend.
Very expensive gifts.
This is your new present.
Wait, this is the NAS.
So this is the NAS, yeah.
This is not fit on that drawer.
It's not going to fit on the drawer now. Yeah, so this is a UNAS Professional. So it's a big old boy.
Holy shit.
And then these are all quick release, so you just boop, and the hard drives will get installed in there.
Basically, if you added all these up, you could have it so that we have a total pool here of 12 terabytes of storage you could use. Or you could do a RAID array where it reserves one drive, so you only have 8 terabytes of usable space. But if any 3 of the hard drives fail, you just replace it with a brand new hard drive and you haven't lost anything.
That doesn't make sense.
It doesn't make
No,
sense,
it
does
doesn't
it?
make sense. This is what I was gonna buy.
For the money, you can't really go wrong.
So what's the difference between this and this?
This one has an operating system built into it where you can do a whole load of stuff like install applications and run web apps. You just wanted storage. This is just storage. So I've just been explaining to Ty what a VPN is, a virtual private network, and it's how we're going to get Ty to access his NAS when you're at your brand new studio.
Yep.
Right, let's look at Ty's internet situation because it's not as bad as he makes out. He's actually got 2 internet connections here. Slightly overkill. So router 1 is here. We have a BT fiber line, and these have been pre-ran up to Ty's office. And then we have a second internet line, again, that's been routed through the walls going up to Ty's office.
So I text you the other night about, because of the studio.
Yeah.
If I want to share one folder with my friend,
Yes.
how do we do that?
And he doesn't have access to any of your personal things.
Yes.
So you can have all your stuff on one folder, and then you can
share
have a
it.
production folder which everybody can see. Should we see if it fits on the desk?
I think it's gonna fit, you know. I'll do the heavy lifting. Oh, here we go. Moment of truth. I haven't cleaned it.
Oh no.
I weren't expecting you to film that.
I love this, by the way. This is for the cats, obviously.
Yeah.
Do they actually sit here while you're
It's actually for Jada, it's not for the
I mean, it kind of fits. It's completely up to you, mate. Completely up to you. Obviously, I'm going to have to put the router somewhere. Because if the NAS goes up there, then we've just got to run cables up there.
Okay, let's leave it there.
Leave it there. Mate, you've got cats everywhere.
I've got 3 cats.
You can edit Ty's video.
Please do.
So I've just managed to get the router installed, connected into both of Ty's internet connections. Now, what did you just say, Ty, about your Wi-Fi?
It's awful.
Doesn't work upstairs on the top floor. So these are very, very powerful. So I'm thinking of sticking this very central somewhere down here like that to give coverage to the whole house.
Whatever that means.
Whatever that means.
I agree.
I'm surprised I haven't forgot one thing so far, because when you're doing things like this, you forget one thing like a power cable and none of it works.
You said it now. You said it now.
I'm getting Ty to log in now so he can manage all of this himself, and he's just said that he absolutely loves. You've got an eye for a rack now, haven't you?
I do like a good rack.
We're gonna add these 3 drives. So I think mission success. The NAS has been set up. I've tied it to Ty's computer and he's currently looking for a video file that he can drag on just to test it. And then we'll go to Ty's studio to see if he can pick that file up when we get there from this NAS.
Okay, that's very quick.
Is that quick?
That's a lot faster than I expected.
Considering it's going over the network.
That's actually insane.
So the new Wi-Fi is installed. Ty said previously was struggling in his bedroom, so
Moment of truth.
let's say over 200.
It'll do.
What is it?
600. That's mental. Uploads 100 as well. Look at that.
Should get that everywhere. And that is just one well-placed access point. Happy?
Very.
Okay, we have one NAS installed, one new router installed with VPN connectivity, and one happy Ty. And I have literally put labels on every single cable, so should Ty want to wander around with his fingers, which he's going to break it, hopefully he can plug it all back in. Can't get much simpler than that. I'm expecting a phone call like next week with it all
Tonight.
Aspect Ratio Studios. Let's have a look round.
Got the LEDs, got the sign up. Wow.
Dark set, and then this is what we were shooting the other day on the light set.
Huh.
Bit different, right?
Yeah.
It was about this size, wasn't
It was about literally the size of this room here. This set was Ty's old office, and you have upgraded the room massively and made these 2 sets, and people are booking these with you, am I right?
Yes.
To come and film podcasts and stuff.
Mainly podcasts, but the other day we had someone from like a medical field.
Wow, dead impressed.
What's your favourite looking set?
If I had to pick one, I'd probably go with the darker moody one. Okay, so now comes the moment of truth. We're gonna see if Ty can access a file that we've put on his NAS that lives at his house. Oh, you like the little?
Very nice wood you have.
So to do this, I'm gonna get Ty to download some software called WireGuard, which is a VPN server that we're gonna run on that router that we installed back at Ty's, and then he's gonna WireGuard VPN using this software back to his house.
I'm confused again.
Okay, so I'm gonna now send you a file. Lovely stuff, drag that to your desktop.
Bosh.
And then what we're gonna do with that is open up WireGuard, and then we're going to import tunnel from file and choose this file. Right, so now open a new tab in your browser. What is my IP address? Let's say it ends in 28.4.
Okay.
So that's the IP address of your phone because you're hotspotting from your phone.
Okay.
So if we now go up to WireGuard in the top bar, click on the WireGuard logo and click on Ty MacBook. So now you should be at home.
Okay.
So this, if I check your IP address of your house, should end in 206.230.
Yep.
So you are now accessing the internet on this laptop in the studio here through your router at home.
Yeah.
But obviously you want the NAS baked into like Finder on this laptop, right?
Yeah.
But you're gonna open up Finder, you're gonna go to Go and connect to server, right? And now in here, paste that in there.
There she is.
There's that file.
There she is.
So see if you can double click that and play it from here.
Oh, it's loaded.
It's loaded the thing.
Oh.
I doubt it will play it back because it's a 4K file, isn't it? Yeah, there you go. You can see it's kind of working over your hotspot, but it's not really.
It's still cool though.
Yeah, so this is
really
on that
cool.
box that's in on the NAS.
There it is.
And obviously this is going through your phone's hotspot, mind.
Yeah.
So if you did get the proper fibre internet here,
It would be so smooth.
it'd be so better, yeah.
Now.
Let's say, for example, these were some assets that you wanted to edit with.
Yeah.
You can simply just drag this to your desktop and it will copy it over like a normal Finder copy.
That's so good.
Did you like that?
That's so good. Oh
Mission
my God.
accomplished.
I'm actually so impressed.
You have your own private cloud.
You're not just a pretty face. This is what you get excited about when you're 30. Forget having kids. Give me 16 terabytes.
Get me a NAS and a new router.
Okay, so these are the customers that we've had. This is the guy we had the other day. He's a rapper releasing a new music video. This is The Stack Podcast. They're #1 on iTunes for books. This is all a football podcast. This is MXZ Isaac, 1.5 million followers on TikTok. This is the guy who built everything.
So you're getting pictures done of people that come and use the space?
Yep.
Very cool. We figured out that with this new NAS, Ty is using this 4G dongle hotspot thing for his internet in here. But you're going to get new internet.
I am, because of you.
And it's expensive, isn't it?
Very expensive.
Ridiculous, because there's nothing else you can do in a building like this, so they just have your pants down. So guys, here we are back where we started. It's been about a week since I've been at Ty's house, and over the last week he's not stopped telling me how much he's really enjoyed using the NAS. It's massively elevated his entire editing game. But with that being said, guys, I need to thank Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. If you've never heard of Squarespace before, I'll be really surprised. They're the all-in-one place to make a really professional website, and it's super easy. A few years back, you used to choose from one of their professionally designed templates and then just alter it and make it your own. But they've also got Squarespace AI now, and it can basically make the website for you. You just put in a few key bits of information and off you go to the races. They also specialize in SEO, so you can see how your website's going to appear on a search engine like Google. Really important. So if you would like to save yourself 10% off your first Squarespace purchase or domain, use code MarsBar or go to squarespace.com/MarsBarVlogs. And with that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.